Yo, what is up, y'all? BG Kicks here, and in today's video I have a quick unboxing for you guys. I'm very excited for what's to come right here. I just received these in the mail like about, let's say, like an hour ago. So we about to check these joints out, man. You already know what it is through the title. These are the Air Max's 1 blueprints. Ta-da! Let's see, man. Air Max 1 premiums right here. Oh man, I hit on sneakers, y'all, on Air Max Day. These came out 3/26 of 2022, man. And let's check these out. Let's check. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now, this is the first time I buy a pair of these joints right here, man. And I'm not gonna lie, these are probably my favorite pair of Air Maxes out right now. Can't believe I got these, man. I got super stoked when I copped, man. These look amazing, man. These look dope. These look dope, man. And I'm not gonna lie, man, yo, the quality on these off the rip, premium. There's a reason why they call these the premiums, man. These are dope. Check out the laces. They got the date, Air Max Day 3/26. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Low key though, this is giving me like university blue vibes, man. Uni blues. This is like the same type of color, yo. I feel like, wow, these look so dope. I'm not gonna lie though, man, they messed up my box. They must have been mad or something, because they got a hole on my box right here, creases on my box. Like, you guys are messing up my box, man. Yeah, so wow, these look extremely dope, man. This look dope. We got the swoosh right here. Okay, we got the swoosh right here. Wow, these look so dope in hand. I gotta smell these. This is my first time ever getting an Air Max, and this is what an Air Max smells like now. Wow, that's so dope. Showing you guys the details real quick. Wow, quality is nice, man. I really mess with these. Quality is dope. The insoles, wow, definitely true to size too, or maybe they run big, I'm not sure. I'm about to test these out though. Gotta check the other side, man. Gotta check the other side just to be safe. They do come with extra laces, white laces, but I'm keeping the blue ones. I really mess with the blue. Gotta check these joints out, man. Oh no, there's some stitching coming out of this swoosh. I don't know if you guys see that right here. Wow, these look beautiful. All right, y'all. Woo! Wow. Super stoked. So let's talk about retail. I bought these for around, what was it, like 160? I feel like retail was like around 160. I got charged about 172 after taxes. Right now resale's going for around 220 for my size, 10.5. Not gonna lie, if you guys wanted to quick sell these, you guys should have done it like as soon as you guys copped. But in all honesty, the way people are pushing Air Maxes right now, I say hold these, give it about 6 months. During the summer, people will want to wear these as well, or during the spring or something. These are super clean. The way people are pushing out Air Maxes right now, you guys should really hold on to your pairs, because you really don't know what's gonna happen in the near future. Maybe Air Maxes will be the new Air Jordan 1s, you know. The way they're trying to push that Air Max silhouette is going crazy. So for a couple of dollars for resale, I'm just gonna I'd rather not sell quick, because these were kind of limited. These were only exclusively for the United States, so North America, I should say. But yeah, so I'm gonna hold these off, man. I'm gonna see how much resale they go up over time. My prediction is that these should be like a $400 to $500 shoe in the future regardless, because they don't really restock on Air Max days. Like, you know what I'm saying? They don't really be restocking stuff that comes out on Air Max Day. So I just feel like this is just a great shoe. And out of all the threes that came out, you got the three that came out on Air Max Day. So you got the Blueprints, you got the Wasabis, and you got La Ville something. I can't pronounce it. It's probably in French. These were the best joints, man. That's my honest opinion. The Wasabis came a good second, and then the La Ville something came out third. But yeah, man, I'm gonna bust these out for you guys, see how they look, and make sure you guys subscribe, man. Subscribe, give me a comment on what you guys think on these, and yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoy the on foot review. All right, yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. There's not much to these. It's just great quality, great color, and it's an Air Max 1. So it's a great combination, and quality is definitely up there. I really like the quality on this pair. It feels very premium, like how they're called, the Air Max 1 premiums. So just make sure you guys scoop your pair. My prediction is that these will go up over time. Not saying that they're gonna shoot up right away, but they will go up over time. And this is a great colorway, and you guys should scoop them up. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, support your boy. I post on the daily now, so just we'll see what happens in the future, man. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.